Welcome to English Quizler. Ready to test your real English level? In today's mixed grammar quiz, every question gets harder. Keep track of your score, and let's see how far you can go. Don't forget to subscribe to us. Good luck.
Choose the correct noun. The committee finally reached a consensus. Spot the error and correct it. She is one of the best singers in the choir. Transform into passive form. The results will be announced tomorrow. Choose the correct modal past. You should have told me earlier. Choose the correct preposition. He's proficient in statistical modeling. Paraphrase, he reluctantly agreed. Which matches? He agreed unwillingly. What's the correct tense sequence? By the time we arrived, they had finished dinner. To hit the sax means to hit the sax means to go to sleep. Choose the right article. He is an heir to the throne. Choose the right agreement. Neither of the solutions is satisfactory. Ubiquitous most nearly means. Ubiquitous most nearly means widespread. Choose the right subjunctive. I wish I had more time. Choose the right cleft sentence. It was John who solved the problem. Choose the correct reduction. The man standing there is my uncle. Choose the right verb pattern. I can't help laughing when he jokes. What's the right collocation? Make a prompt decision. What's the right subjunctive? It is essential that she be present. Choose the right inversion. Rarely have we witnessed such skill. Choose the right past form. The past tense of forbid is forbade. Choose the correct one. She said she might come. Noun form of the decide is? The noun form of decide is decision. What is the formal alternative to kids? A formal alternative to kids is children. Choose the tag question. You can drive. Can't you? What's the right preposition? Translate into English. Choose the third conditional. If I had known, I would have told you. Choose the right causative. She had her hair cut. Choose the right connector. He passed the test because he studied hard. Opposite of benign is? The opposite of benign is malignant. Choose the right one. They remembered locking the door. Singular of phenomena is? The singular of phenomena is phenomenon. Choose the right collocation. Take full advantage. What's the right future perfect tense? By next year she will have completed her PhD. Choose the right one. Neither John nor Peter is available. What's the right answer? He wishes he could have come to the party. Prolifics most nearly means? Prolific most nearly means producing much. Choose the right inversion. So severe was the storm that roads flooded. Choose the right answer. Yesterday he lay on the sofa for hours. Noun of investigate tis? The noun of investigate is investigation. Choose the right phrasal verb. We need to come up with a creative solution. Cleft correctness, which is correct. It was in London that she met him.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.